Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI's compact gaming desktop. So friend, MSI announced the release of the Trident AS 14NUE7-680 a compact gaming desktop, and this new addition to the Trident AS series is notable for its slim design and the inclusion of the GeForce RTX 4070 Super graphics card with an efficient layout designed to separate heat sources, and this model aims to provide optimal cooling and performance, particularly for WQHD gaming. And friend, it is powered by Intel Core i7 14700F processor and runs on Windows 11 Home. And friend, it features DDR5, 16 GB RAM, SO-DIMM, and 1 TB NVMe SSD for storage. And the device is also equipped with a 500-watt power supply unit that holds an 80 plus gold certification. And friend, for connectivity it supports 2.5 gigabit wired LAN and Wi-Fi 6. The desktop dimensions are 137.06 mm in width, 396.57 mm in depth, 410.39 mm in height, and it weighs approximately 5.53 kg, and the estimated retail price is around 2,886 USD dollar. And friend,